Okay, today we're going to talk about our automatic wireless updates. Not an upgrade. An upgrade is something you purchase from your BabyLock dealer. An update comes off of the BabyLock website, as it did for most of the machines, but now with the Solaris we're wireless. And you can tell you have an update to do because it's got that little exclamation mark there. So let's just click on that. And it says auto download. We want that on. Update manually, load, and then it says right here, there is a new update available. To install the update, turn off the machine and then hold down the automatic threading button. Automatic threading button's right here. And turn the machine on again. So we're going to say OK. We're going to turn off the machine. Let me reach around here for the button. And let me put the light on. I shut the light off so you wouldn't get the glare on the screen. You can see the camera now. Okay, so we're going to hold this button down, all right? So I'm going to turn that light back down a little bit, otherwise it'll glare on the screen. Okay, so we're going to hold this down while we turn the machine back on. Okay, and once it's here, we let go, and we're going to do it wirelessly, so we're picking this one. I'm trying to. There we go. And I'll just use my finger. All right, I have a mouse attached to my machine. And let's see if you can see. Oh, you can't see my cursor. So let's just do it this way. And now you just have to wait for it to be finished. Now it tells you here that it's saving the upgrade. Do not turn off the main power. Okay, but once it's done, you have to shut the machine off and turn it back on again. So it is only at 1 of 100%. So we'll just check back when it's finished. Okay, so it shows now that our upgrade is complete. I'm going to reach around and shut the machine off and turn it back on. And it says, please read the license agreement before use. Okay. And there it is. So we're going to go back into our settings and we're going to go to page 7. And right here now it says version 3.05. This is the number of my machine. This is the amount of stitches. I have 2,645,000. And this tells you what kits are available. And if it's grayed out, that means that you have it in there. And I'm going to get ready next because I have kit 2 and show you how I do that. But I'll end this video because this is just for the update, and I'll do a new video for the upgrade.